Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel and happy 2021. Cheers to you all. Well, if you're looking for a new channel, this is it. Look no further. This is a lifestyle channel. It's about health and wellness, the right foods to eat. It's about holidays and celebrations with the family. It's also about relationships, weddings, marriage, engagements, and the celebration of that. It's about restaurateurs and food, menus, exotic foods. And it is also about the celebrations of holidays, entertaining your guests. It's also about home. Your home is your lifestyle, and you must design it well. It's also about others, the support of others and their well-being and health. This channel is about celebrating the unknown, the new beginnings and families. It's also about family and friends, sisterhood. It's about siblings and loved ones. This channel is about exploring the world, taking wonderful vacations with the ones that you love, whether it be your significant other, family members, or friends. It's also an exciting channel, all about that good cup of coffee in the morning and what will bring you your passion to your paycheck or what may become a new job for you. It's about celebrating life itself and what's to come in the new years or the new months ahead. It's about also being here for the next year. We've survived 2020. It's about decor and so much more. The seasons of, living, the fall, the springs, the winters, and the summers in your home. It's about design, elements, DIYs, bringing light to your home and life. It's also about the projects that you plan to do or that you create for others. This channel is so much more. It's just about wine tasting, food, eateries. It's about doing our bathrooms, the upgrades, bringing it to a luxurious bath. It's about the outdoors, the landscaping, the grass, the trees, making your home just as beautiful on the outside as it should be in the inside. It's about entertaining your guests, wonderful foods, but it's also about me, your girl Cindy. So I'd like to welcome you to this channel, Decor More, your lifestyle channel. Hi you guys, so today's video is all about the fried grits. Yes, you heard me, fried grits. So I want to share this recipe with you, something that I've encountered. This is supposed to be a northern recipe, but it's also southern as well. What I like to do is show you how I took the grits for breakfast and refurbished them where we had them the next morning by using a fried grit recipe. So the first thing we do is we take a muffin pan, and this one you can see is all battered and used. It's not a new muffin pan. I use this all the time. Then we're going to take the remaining of the grits that are left over from our breakfast this morning, and what I'm going to do is just scoop a little bit out and scoop it into the muffin pan. You don't have to take it to the top rim, but just enough to at least make it, a nice little muffin size. So what I did was just take all the remaining grits, scoop it into the pan, and these grits are still pretty watery. As you can see, they're still a little hot, and they're not hard grits at all. So you must do this as soon as you're done eating breakfast while the grits are still movable. Don't use grits that's been sitting on the stove all day long because it will not work, okay? The next thing you do is you take your cheese. If you desire cheese, you take a spoon and just punch a little hole in the center of your grits and place the cheese down in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pop these babies in the oven for about 5 minutes or so, just to make the cheese melt. Now, after about 5 minutes, maybe about 10 after the grits have cooled, you're going to take them out the oven, of course, and let them cool for about 5 minutes. And then all you have to do is basically take a spoon or a butter knife or something, anything that you can just scoop them out of your muffin pan. As you see here, I didn't make a muffin pan full because I only had a few grits left after breakfast. So to ensure that you don't waste your grits, this is just a simple recipe to make sure that grits are, not wasted, and that you can do something with your leftover grits from the morning of breakfast, even the morning before. So now I'm just going to scoop these grits out after they baked for about 5 minutes. Now, if you want to use these for brunch or for some type of meal later on in that day, you can. They are perfectly well to eat at this point because you just popped them in the oven and you put cheese in them, so that if you want to use these for some great little bites for the kids, maybe for lunch or a little late brunch, or maybe the hubs or something may want something a little bit later after breakfast, these are perfect to sit on your kitchen aisle or your table, or just sit in the microwaves for the kids or the hubs or anyone who may come by short minute notice and desire something to eat. They are ready to serve, honey. But you know me, your girl Cindy, I like to take things a step forward. So what I'm going to do, I am going to put these in a Tupperware and I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for tomorrow's breakfast. Now that it's the next day, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with those leftover grits. I heated a pan, just a little frying pan, with some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, and then a scoop of butter, and I brought it to about 300 temperature, medium on low medium heat. And what I'm going to do is just pop them over into the grease and let them cook and simmer. This is just to reheat the grits, maybe give them a small little light brown coating on the bottom of them. And if you want to toss and turn them to get a nice brown coat on the side of them, you can do that as well. So only about 3 minutes into cooking, you can take those baby out, as I am doing now. Now, careful with them because you don't want them to break. Just take you a nice little spatula, as I am doing now, and place them on a plate. It looks very difficult, I know, but the spatula I'm using is very slippery. So you guys, now that I've let them simmer and I've toasted them, made them brown on the bottom, and some of them I turned them on the side just to get a nice little, coat to them. I am now about to take them up. I am going to plate them, and then I'm going to show you what the ending results of these are. I'm going to put a little seasoning, maybe sprinkle a little parsley flakes over them, a little dash of sea salt, and maybe some red pepper flakes just to give it a little spice to it. And then I'm going to add butter on the top of them and let the butter just kind of drizzle and melt down into them so that they will remain juicy and tender. So I'm going to set them out on the counter, and voila! Here you go, everybody. This is the ending results. This is what they will look like, and they are gorgeous. They are brown, golden brown, and they have that butter sitting on top of them. You can pop these into the microwave at moment's notice just to reheat them for about 15-20 seconds, and they are wonderful little bites to eat for lunch, brunch, or maybe just an afternoon or evening snack. Fried grits, you all. I am a Southern gal, so I'm bringing you all types of Southern recipes on this lifestyle channel. So you guys, look forward to my next video, where I am going to have a 2021 chit chat. I'm going to show you some of the items that I did get for Christmas and some of the items that I plan on wearing and showing you guys in my Fab Find for Less and my look for the day. So you guys, I will see you all in the next video. This is your girl Cindy signing out. Happy New Year.